Are you considering buying a property in Barcelona or the surrounding area? Then you may want to consider getting a golden visa. In this video, we will explain what is a golden visa and how you can apply it as a US or non-European citizen. We have also prepared a free PDF at the end of the video with all the detailed information. So just check in the description below or the comment section and we will send you the document by WhatsApp or email. My name is François Carriere and I'm the CEO of Carriere Spain, and I've been working in real estate for more than 20 years here in Barcelona. Recently we've been dealing with more and more US buyers like you who are looking to purchase property in Spain or Barcelona and take advantage of the dollar so high and the quality of life that no other cities like Barcelona can offer. What you may not know is when you buy a property in Barcelona or in Spain, you can apply for a golden visa which allows you, among other things, to have the freedom to travel all around Europe. You have fantastic cities to visit in Europe. So, what is a golden visa? It's a special type of residence permit that allows non-European citizens like you to live and work in Spain. It's also known as a residency by investment program. The most common way to get a golden visa is by investing a real estate investment of minimum 500,000 euro. And it can be a land, a building, a condo, a house or a retail shop. One of the benefits of getting a golden visa is, first of all, it allows you to live and work in Spain without a work permit. You can also travel freely within the Schengen area, which includes most of Europe's fascinating cities. It also allows you a diversification of your wealth in a country where the value of the real estate has been stable over the past years. And of course, you will enjoy in Barcelona a fantastic lifestyle. Because Barcelona, thanks to its location, enjoys temperate weather all year long, and you have a unique combination of beach and mountain resort not more than 1 hour driving from the city. And last but not least, a very good social security system and best education for your kids. It's important also to know that the golden visa applies for your wife, your husband, and your children below 21 years old. What are the practical steps to get this golden visa? First of all, you have to find one or more property in Barcelona or surrounding area to meet the minimum investment requirement of 500,000 euros. Of course, at Carriere we help you with choosing the right property. We will guide you through the process and help you select the best area to invest or to live in Barcelona. We also have, of course, very good lawyer to assist. And because in Barcelona the commission is usually paid by the owner or the developer, you will not pay for that process at all. Then you get your NIE, which is a foreign identification number. You get it from the Spanish consulate here in Barcelona or in your home country. If you subscribe to our channel, we will show you more video to explain the process. And then you go to notary, you make the investment and get your property title deeds. It usually takes between 1 and 2 months to get the document. Then you apply for the golden visa at the Spanish consulate in your home country or in Spain. In conclusion, as always, make sure to do your research and work with a professional to ensure a smooth process. If you have any question, you can write a comment below. We answer every single question, and if you are ready to invest, you can of course schedule a free 15-minute consultation with me privately where we can discuss about what are the best options for you. And also I remind you about our PDF, which is free to download, so just click the WhatsApp button or the description or comment below. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. Nos vemos, amigo. Hasta luego.